the art of plastic repair. In this video by Inventor 101, we are presenting to you innovative methods to address the challenge of repairing and reusing plastic materials. By extending the lifespan of plastic products through repair and reuse, we can contribute to a more eco-friendly economy. Witness the transformative power of plastic restoration. Plastic repair revolution. Breathing new life into plastic. Repairing rather than discarding. This DIYer is repairing plastic using simple materials. From broken to beautiful. Plastic cracks are a no problem for this DIYer. Plastic repairing, a promising solution. So many creative plastic mending techniques, and each of them seems to work perfectly. For this next method, he is using electrical wire. A stitch in time saves plastic. Wondering how he's going to fix the crack with a cigarette? Keep watching. His methods are mind-blowing. Repairing the future of plastic. By the end of this video, tell us which plastic mending technique you found the most impressive. Drop your opinion in the comments below. Every plastic deserves a second chance.